Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can delete multiple tabs across Google Sheets files. So if you have too many tabs across multiple Google Sheets files, let me show you the fastest way to delete them. So after you open the Google Sheets file, what you will have to do is you will uh, hold Shift and then you will click the first and last tab to select multiple tabs in the same file. So it should be like this. And then now that you've selected them, what you will have to do is just right click and then again make sure that you successfully um okay again. So as you can see, we've successfully selected them. What you will have to do is click delete. And then, of course, for the confirmation, you will just have to click OK to fully delete your selected tabs. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And I hope you learned how to clean up your multiple tabs. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if it was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.